Hello fellow YouTube viewers. Today I will be showing you the cooking quest with Mike. Alright, I figured it out, Mike.
Pardon?
I figured it out. I'm gonna accept the quest.
Yeah, you have to ask him what's wrong and he'll tell you.
I asked him, I said, nice hat, actually, Mike. And he showed me the quest. So this is just a simple quest. It says novice.
It's still the record. Hey, guess what? What happened when I get that PFD like that? You went straight off from my bills were funny paid off. Yeah, we were buying furniture. No, I went to Stim. Right. I go, oh fuck.
He said he needs super large egg, flour, and milk.
Where did you go?
I'm right beside you, dude.
Oh, okay. We're gonna go get it, okay? Come, let's go.
Hold on. Fuck. Mike, hold on. Okay, I'm following you now.
Yeah, he did. He was giving us all tax breaks.
The Chujos was a fact.
Hold on, Mike. It didn't go through the wall, and I have to refollow you again. Mike.
But
Mike, I see a bucket.
what?
I see a bucket for the milk.
I'm giving you a bucket.
Oh, you're giving me one? True Smithsonian Joel Smith of Alaska has risen.
750 my radio. It won't open. It just got tried all the way from the river. And it's just sometimes it happens. He'll have a whole hour show and it's all blank. So hey, KFQD. Remember you guys got the new fucking hour?
Mike, you're gonna trade with me?
Yes. Oh my god.
I'm recording right now.
Trade with me then.
It's not that. KFQD.
Trade with me.
What's that supposed to mean?
I said trade with me.
Oh, okay, I'm trading.
Out of an hour show, so they'll have they'll have dead air. Like if you have a real radio, and I go out there, if I had a real radio, AM, FM, right, it's still on. Because I've tested it. On my little radio.
How come I didn't get it, Mike?
But it had a radio in the garage.
I tried trading you nothing in return.
So some nights they would pull this shit or the show. It's almost like somebody forgot to download the half hour. Guess what? Yeah, from Channel 2 News. I got the whole thing.
Alright, accept it. Okay, I got it.
Can you milk the cow?
Yeah.
Well, milk it. Yo, it's right here. Fuck, man. Just milk the cow.
I'm trying to.
It's right here. The fucking cow's right here, man.
Right, I got it. Now we need to get flour.
Let's get a chicken egg first.
Okay.
Get an egg. Get an egg that's on the fucking floor, man.
I am.
Try listening to what he's
Alright, I got an egg, Mike.
Try to listen to what he's saying. I hope to God he's wrong, because he's talking about a Great Depression. He's talking about great depression. And then war with fucking China. I hope to God he's wrong. I don't want to believe it.
I just got stuck in between a wall and a hard place, Mike. Sorry. Mike, we still didn't get the frickin' flour that we needed.
I'm going to get it right now, man. What the fuck?
Where at?
You know, I hope the guy's wrong. I'm too old for this place.
You don't have to cuss, Mike.
I don't want to live through the Great Depression. My parents
When you cuss, I can't make it for kids.
goddamn old.
I'm just messing with you.
In 1932, 33, they were 10 years of their life. Which you were out there in the dirt, sweeping dirt. My dad told me that's how first thing you did with it. You got up and swept the whole lot. The entire property. For a bunch of reasons. Kids, they were 12, 12.
Get wheat.
Okay, I picked it. I got wheat.
Come in here.
Alright, I'm in here. Up.
I'll be fucking 60 next year. I don't want to go through
It says maybe I should probably ask that lady downstairs how I can make extra fine flour. So we gotta go to the lady downstairs, Mike.
Insurance. Most people don't have what you got. Most people in the United States do not have fucking, they could get it. But what makes it, well, I can't.
Like I said, either top Sylvia.
And get that whole,
I'm serious, Dad.
no, I'm getting the whole thing for it. Whatever it's
The
called.
thing is,
Josh knows.
All right, Mike. Let's go back up. I'm going back up here.
one bedroom, get him
Yeah. Get him on full, what do you call it? Full
building.
Yeah, you got it. They're not full, but they call it something else.
Well, he has to have a fucking AE.
It takes 6 months to get that.
No. I mean, not such as mom.
Mike.
Have somebody out here.
It still won't let me make flour. It keeps telling me to talk to the lady. What do I have to tell her?
Girl, this.
What'd you tell her?
That's what I'm saying, man.
Go talk to the girl.
Yeah, and what do I say? Oh, I'm looking for extra fine flour. Okay. Found it.
But I hope he's wrong. I really do. I hope the guy's wrong. He's been right so far about the shit that's happened.
Who's that?
It's like Harold Silver. He's got a bizarre name.
Yes, I finally put it in there, Mike.
Dory's guess.
Now we're making flour.
His guess too.
Yeah, baby.
Same old thing. Yeah.
Are you recording this, Joel?
Yes, I am.
Let's do this shit, man.
I'm looking at it from here. And from here, man. Again.
All right, ready.
Walk up. It's like babysitting too far.
Me and him?
Yeah.
You told me to look at her. You told me to look at her, didn't you?
Yeah, I looked at her. I didn't say yell my name 45
I
times.
didn't say your name. No, Dan, I didn't say your name. I went,
Come on, Carl. Eat your food. Good boy. Fucking food. Good little 5-year-old.
Why is my character so slow when he follows you? He's like he runs around and
Must be black. Only your daughter don't want.
true Smithsonian Mike Jill Smith Velasca.
It's too fucking loud.
I hate when it does this, but at least we're in the castle. It'll just stop at a wall when I'm trying to follow you.
Go, Carl. Take the dirt now. She's fucking mesmerizing, huh? Take the dirt now.
All right, so we're gonna need a super large egg, Mike, and top quality milk. So we're gonna need another bucket, Mike.
Yeah, go to where the cows were. Come, follow me.
Can you come back, Mike? You kind of ran off without me.
Just go find where we were. We were at the cows last time. Just go there.
Okay, I'm coming right now.
For more than 2,000 Special Olympics Alaska athletes statewide. Help keep the flame of hope burning. Register a pledge today at SpecialOlympicsAlaska.org.
They said that there's some dairy cows in the northwest where you can get the milk.
Law enforcement torch run, a benefit for Special Olympics Alaska. And we'll show you what's different this year because of the COVID-19 Also a dangerous trend. People stealing the covers from stores
You gotta milk this cow.
that creates. 5 a.m. bright and early.
I need a. Okay, there's a bucket.
Something to fucking do.
All right. Yay, top quality milk. Thanks, Mike.
There she is.
And now we gotta find out a large egg. Come, follow.
Employees, results are majority of
Super large egg. Yeah, we gotta find one.
I want to thank everyone for voting. 84% of you saying yes, 68% saying no. We appreciate you taking the time to vote. Well, an impromptu performance at a Massachusetts store turned into the gift of a lifetime for one mystery musician. As CBS's Michael George explains, the young man delighted shoppers with a little music, and the store delighted him with a piano. But first, they had to find it.
Hold on, I got caught behind a rock.
Mystery musician popped into Remarkable Cleanouts and Services over the weekend and asked to play the piano. Video of the impromptu performance was a hit online. And soon Remarkable
Hey, this one right here.
Oh, I see it. Oh my goodness, that is a big egg. All right.
managed to track down John Capron, a college student in Boston, through social media. Quite the opposite. Waters wanted to give Capron the $200 piano for free, but then he upped his offer. That piano is valued at $3,000. Waters was as happy to give the gift as Capron was to receive it.
I'm a giver, Sensei. I like to give. And I give to you and you smile. That makes me feel good. You know, if you can make somebody else happy, you're joining them out. That's what life's about, right? Peace be with you.
Michael George, CBS News.
Oh, kindness matters. Good people doing good things out there. I love to see it. The store also received offers from moving companies to deliver the piano for free. Let's check in with Melissa for a final look at that forecast. Melissa,
Yes, and me and Mike have completed yet another mission in RuneScape.
a little bit of everything tonight.
Thanks for watching, and please stay tuned for more videos like these.